There have been many classic Hong Kong landmarks over the years, from the infamous Kowloon City to the notorious Kai Tai Airport, from the majestic floating restaurants to the neon-lit streets. Institutions that are now, sadly, nothing but memory. But if you go to Hong Kong, you'll still be able to see the glowing lights in the harbour, as well as the futuristic and very photogenic skylines. Also sci-fi structures in the banking district that feel particularly cyberpunk during festivals. Let's not forget the surreal symmetry in the housing estates and side streets that hint of the old days. Not to mention the grimy, rat-trapped back alleys. But it feels that the only classic Hong Kong structure left, mildly reminiscent of the Kowloon City days and with ties to the cyberpunk culture, is the monster building in Quarry Bay, a location used in the live-action Ghost in the Shell. I just arrived in Hong Kong. The air was cool and not the rank heat that often accompanies this city. So I headed downtown and attempted to find some old cronies. Only here for the weekend, so we've only really got tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, last time I was here was a year ago. Hong Kong was like, it's not, Hong Kong I think before COVID was much better and there's been lots of changes obviously. But anyway, let's see what happens this weekend. Finding the place was proving more difficult than I thought. I needed some assistance, so I headed into the alleyway. 你好，你们说英文吗？Speak English a little bit.
This street is.
This street, yeah.
This Cyberpunk.
So it's down here somewhere.
Oh, maybe this building.
Yeah. How do I get there? Elevator.
This way.
Oh, what a decent chap.
You know the floor?
No. Hey. Oh yeah. 谢谢，慢走。
感觉。
My boy.
也是在。Have you been out here for a while?
Like 2 minutes. I just went straight up to the first one. Hey there, give me a proper hug, boy.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah. Why were you outside?
I've just come to look for you, bro, because you never fucking find this place. Well, you know, £200 to £500 meal here is like gangster. It's like all the seafood, like.
By the way, we made it, you and me, in China, baby.
Of course, bro. What do you want to drink?
Oh, I'll get a drink in a minute. I'll get a drink in it easy. How you doing? Yeah, she does that. A lot. How you doing, Chica?
What?
How you doing? You alright, babe?
I'm good, are you?
You
You sprained your ankle.
Yes, mate. How you doing? Right, let's get a fucking drink.
I know, you just had it.
What's happening?
With a glove.
Huh?
Stop it.
你好。
You're here for the photos as well, not just the lovely company. It's round the corner, safe to say. But it's just left.
Where's your arrow pointing, Tang?
No, but like, okay, so, but my arrow's like.
Oh, it's there. It's up.
Yeah, so up and then right and then right. I was right. Right.
Sure.
你好，呢個係咪 Viva Bar 樓上？13同埋，Oh, so it's on the 13th and the 18th.
Okay. 我们讲啤酒。
喝啤酒，对啊。
啤酒，对，好的，谢谢。
該晒你啊。She was like, "Oh, you speak Cantonese?" I was like, "Yeah, like my whole family comes from here." Like, nah, because like they don't really see like in this part of Hong Kong, it'd be weird, like just like for Western people.
Chinese people.
Yeah, but like as soon as you said a bit of things, she like smiled, didn't it? Like, cause she's mainland, she's not Hong Kong.
She's mainland, no, right?
Yeah, she's not Hong Kong.
So she's missing the old school. The motherland.
Yeah.
What did you say to her?
I just said, "Is the bar upstairs? Can we get a beer?"
So there's a 13 and an 18.
All you need to know.
Oh yes,
So-
that's exactly what we need.
No.
No. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is our kind of place.
Speak some members of that.
我们可以这里。对。那你是老板。Tang, what are you getting from Circle K?
I'm just getting a bottle of water, man. I'm not really into living in the city these days.
So Tang, what you got in your bag?
Just a hoodie, mate. Just
No.
egg tarts.
The egg tarts, huh?
What people do over here, man, like, you just take food for people. She knows what I'm talking about. Italian girl, isn't it?
That's your foot, by the way.
That's right.
Go to the foot palace.
4, please.
Just make sure you're very specific about what you order. That's the original, mate. That's the original, mate.
You'd make an excellent spy.
Perhaps I am. But who do I work for? That's the question.
But did he shit himself at any point?
No, once he was in a pub in East London and he was like just about to get into the bog, innit? And then like he was like, guys, man, I had to leave my pants in the toilet, yo. What?
Yes, it is a contrast indeed. Quarry Bay, pretty nice place for taking photos and looking at some of the architecture in the old style Hong Kong apartments. Kowloon City is obviously no longer with us, so it's a shame, but we do have this, and it's a nice place to come visit. Hello.
Hi.
How much are apartments here?
How many bedrooms?
What do you got for me, Mr. Tang?
It'll be 550 grand. So that the rent will be, I don't know actually. I don't read Chinese, mate. Yeah, well, not in this area. Like this is like not even in central, bro. So in the middle of Hong Kong, there's a whole load of connecting runs across like corporate buildings, and you can walk for maybe like a couple of hours through these runs.
Through each building, you can get.
Yeah. It's like under like or through the building. It doesn't actually go inside the building, but it's a walkway for people to get to another part. Sick, isn't it?
Lunchtime karaoke? No.
More white juice.
Dicks.
Huh? Dicks.
Fresh, man. Fresh. Do you get places like this in Italy? They have tanks full of fresh and it's all alive.
The Montaine Mansion, also known as the Monster Building, was built in the 1950s and 60s and as a result of the population boom during the Cultural Revolution. When I visited a year ago, it was midweek and very quiet, with barely any tourists. This time, however, on a Sunday afternoon, it was a different situation entirely. A little bit. We're not the first ones. It's become obviously quite a classic Instagram place. Obviously the anime was filmed in, obviously the animator was based in Tokyo, but this is where live action was filmed. The Montaine Mansion has 5 separate blocks like this and houses around 10,000 people. All around the base of the buildings, you'll find barbers, traditional Chinese pharmacists, massage parlours, laundromats, grocery shops, cafes, more laundromats, restaurants, banks, an art shop, or whatever this place was. I don't know how the locals feel about hundreds of tourists coming every day and doing what I'm doing, or taking photos. Nice, huh? Recognise it?
my man eating an egg tart on the side, isn't it? You want one?
Egg tart, yeah, boy.
Yeah, because it's getting warm, so just
Good lad.
while they're still good.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's
You
cool to
recognise
see
it?
it in person, mate.
Yeah, it's nice.
But this is also Transformers.
This is Transformers?
I think so, I'm pretty sure.
Is that with Marky Mark?
Yummy.
There's 2 more of these. I think they're less crowded usually. This is like the most famous one.
Oh, so they like... So for
the whole complex.
For the film, they CGI'd the colour.
Oh, well, I think they filtered the colour, they CGI'd it, they put water here, because this is the bit where she's beating up that guy in the invisible cloak.
Ooh, thank you.
Certo.
What do you reckon the locals think of it? Having people...
Clearly they're very happy to have all the tourists taking pictures.
Yeah,
of them.
someone buys a Coca-Cola as well, isn't it?
No, I mean, I think they're used to it.
I might go and just buy a Coca-Cola, innit?
Yeah.
Tourists and random photographers were once banned from entering, but that seemed to have lifted. And it felt a bit gross, snooping around someone's backyard. I couldn't help but shake the feeling that we were adding to the problem, rather than adding to the economy. What we need is a giant plane going overhead. We need a plane. Well, we're talking about putting money into the economy and the locals.
Well,
They've got like a fancy hipster barista coffee place.
Yeah, yeah.
So there must be some stuff going into the community,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I hope so. But that's probably owned by some rich businessman, mate.
Yeah, true.
To be fair.
This woman seems pretty miffed off.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be, like, really.
Yeah.
There's people dropping money here, isn't it? Like,
Hello.
Hello.
Is this your shop?
It's actually a lot of different designers.
Different designers.
They put things here, like a lot of is Hong Kong signature stuff.
And this goes to the local community here?
Yes.
Okay. What I was gonna... Do you live here?
I'm living somewhere close by.
Somewhere closer.
Yeah.
And I was wondering what the locals feel about the tourism here in Quarry Bay. Is it a problem?
It's not a problem. I think the shop owner, they actually like introduced this area.
Hello. Yeah. I saw you on the tube. Yeah, you're on the metro. Yeah. Hello, how you doing?
Actually, this is like a co-workshop space, so people can rent this space.
Okay. But then that money goes back to the community here?
Yes.
Okay.
係啊！
你即係出落太古樂
我咁你啊！
賺啫，
你食得好，瞓得好咪得啦。
後生嘅你大佬，
你做啲運動，食得好，
大佬
開心啲。
你30幾歲咁後生死，我老你好多年喎，點算啊，大佬？
你40歲。
我老啊大佬，超過你 over 晒你個歲數。拍埋啲你哋咁黑嘅你哋個。
So there it is, the Montaine mansions. One can't help but think how long until this too is knocked down, and nothing but a memory of Hong Kong's fading identity.
Please.